All right, can y'all hear me all right? Man, let's jump into it. We ain't gonna waste no time. Today's day 3 of the Vibe Code Challenge, man. The Vibe Code Challenge, making $1 in profit in 21 days, preferably less or less. So we're trying to knock the score out. We're trying to beat the record right here. We're trying to do it in we're trying to do it in like 10 days or less. So we're trying to really do it in 7 days. Today's day 3. So if in 4 more days we can make our first dollar in profit, by the way. Keep in mind, we've spent $0 so far on this. So if we can make our first dollar, um, that's exciting. So that's what we're aiming for. On the agenda today is a couple items here. Let me just fix this real quick, guys. So on the agenda today, a couple items. We're gonna have the block editor that we're going to be finishing up. We're going to be adding to the block editor rather, the media and external links. So that's this puppy. We want to be able to add media and external links. We just added that in. We started adding that in last night on day 2, but we're going to finish that up. Then we're going to be able to publish the page live. So we want people to be able to publish their page live. And then we're going to add stats so they can track who's been viewing their link, view their page analytics, and then do some styling, and then we're gonna finish up. We're gonna finish this thing up today. So tomorrow we can start onboarding those initial users. So we got a big day ahead of us. We got a long day. So we're trying to go for the 10 hours, man. It's 10 o'clock now. So that means we're going to like 8. And yeah, we're gonna see if we can get this stuff done, man. We're gonna see. So last night we left off on the media, right? That's what we were doing the media last night. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Uh, that's this media block here is where we need to finish up at. Uh, Start closing some of this stuff up here. This is the pull request we're working on right now. This guy adding the media block. So yeah, so pretty much to get this done, we need to add the media cards with title, thumbnail, and a link. So rearrange or remove media entries, and then embed support for YouTube, TikTok, or Huddle, etc. So basically when they add in this media type here, we want to showcase that media type here, just like these other types that we can reorder. So if I want to put the team roster on top, I can do that just like that. We can reorder these things. So yeah, we're going to do that for the media link, which is going to allow them to put a carousel of like images, videos, things of that nature. So, pick up where we left off yesterday. Gonna pick up right where we left off yesterday. See, So we're using Cursor, guys, just as a reminder. Using Cursor. Um, Pretty much, yeah. We'll get changed. I mean, still early in the morning, man. So upload image. Uh, I think like a regular video. Probably Trump video, like told you. Do cool cats and hot set. See. So when that autoplay, we actually don't want it to autoplay inside of here. We want it to autoplay. Smoothly. Let's see if that can get us some more desirable results potentially. Yeah, I figured that's what the problem was, like the something with updating and not debouncing. Okay. Now if I go image, it seems mostly fine now. So what we want to do now is we want to add the carousel to, so we want to add the actual like media block to the page over there. Um, After we push these changes up, let's review these changes as well. Make sure everything it did was all right. Let's see. Update local state when block prop changes, so set video URL. That's fine. Handle save video on update. Yeah, that makes sense. Well, we just accepted all of it anyway, so fine. Fine, fine. Just put them boogers in my chain. Peekaboo. We want to create a block for media. Hold on, we need teams should be able to add multiple. Bruh. Okay, now my stream's fixed. Bruh, this thing was just like, uh, man, the Wi-Fi's been dropping up and down. Bro, if you got Xfinity, bruh, don't fuck with Xfinity, bruh. Don't fuck with Comcast, man. Fuck. Just go with the AT&T, bro. Golly, my Wi-Fi is fucking fucked right now, bro. Of course, it's when we're trying to do a stream, dog. Of course it is. Motherfucker. Okay, we're back, guys. It's like, bruh, they don't want us to be great, but we're gonna try, bro. We're gonna fucking try, even though this thing is like, not allowing us to. Even though it's not allowing us to be great, guys. We're gonna try to be great. Your job is to upload the current is to update the current media block component and our Firestore database. Sure. Okay. So let's see how it does with it. Teams should be able to add. So we got this media block here, but like teams should be able to add multiple. So we need multiple. So because of that, we need this thing to update to allow us to add up to 10 items. 10. Mucho. Mucho. See if we can get multiple items now. I know you see. AI's cooking up over here. Let's see if it can finish. Vibe code, man. What's up, Awis? Awas. AWA. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Please help me out if I'm not. But what's up, man? How's it going? Sunday, beautiful day. We're just vibe coding, bro. We're vibe coding. Let's see. Bam. So ideally, this thing is letting us upload multiple. It's like because the value. This thing isn't working right. YouTube.com/be. See, okay, so this thing doesn't work. Huh. So this thing should be working. It's not working. Therefore, there's a problem. AI did not cook it up correctly. And now it's fail and now the app's like stuck loading or something. I don't know exactly what's going on, but we'll get to the bottom of it here in just a minuto. So yeah, now the dashboard is failing. So AI just like completely fucked the app apparently. But yeah, man, we're just trying to get the app finished today so that we can go live to our first users tomorrow. Um Problem is AI does not want us to be great right now. I cannot delete the block. What if I add another block? What happens? So it deleted both blocks. I added another one. So this thing is very buggy. Okay, so that actually worked. Add new. Okay, let's see. So it actually is working a little bit. Add new. Okay, so now we have two media items, right? Let's see if we add a YouTube video. Oh, this says opponent is uncontrolled. So we got to figure that out. But let's try to add a YouTube video, shall we? Uh, YouTube.com. Here, let's just add this. See what happens when we add a YouTube video. Bam. Okay, that actually works. So we were able to add these two things. Okay. So that's actually how this should work. So that's good. I wonder if I add another block, what happens? Okay, it stores it independently. So let's see if we can add this. Okay. So this is all good sign. Yeah, because it's its own block. Wow. This is perfect. This is perfect. This is good. This is super good, guys. Cause like I thought AI fucked up, but maybe it didn't fuck up. This is good. Let's see if we can delete this. We can delete it. Okay. Let's delete it. Okay, so if we refresh, it should still remain there. Bam. Okay, that's working kind of beautifully. That's working pretty tough like, bro. So now let's see. So let's go ahead and commit those changes, right? Let's put that in. Let's save a checkpoint real quick in the code since that's working. Since we now able to add media. So let's say get commit. So we're gonna commit those changes. Upload multiple media items. Okay. So Now what we're gonna do, it's very simple. We're gonna update our dashboard here. This is out of date. So we just want to be sure that like now the media pops up on the team's page. So that's what we want to do. So obviously over here on the right, we got a preview of so basically imagine you own a basketball team or you own a soccer team. Here's your dashboard for your team. So you come here, you enter your team, the best soccer team, right? So the best soccer team, that's going to save your information. So you see we updated the name over here on the right, the best soccer team. So let's say the best soccer team actually is not the best soccer team, it's the worst soccer team. And we're 3-21. We've won only 3 games and we've lost 21 games. We're terrible. And we're the biggest losers in the FBS. I don't know if FBS is a soccer thing, but let's go with it. MLS. Okay. Then we can add. Okay, so yeah, we're a part of the MLS. Um, we're a part of the American Soccer League. Let's just say it's called ASL, which I don't know. And then we're also part of like, you know, my church league, New Baptist or something. So you see how that's update over there on the team's page. So this is their page that their fans and people interact with over here on the right. So obviously these blocks, they're able to add and remove. So you can add a link block, a team roster block, a team schedule block, or a media block. So what we're adding in now is the media block, and that's what we've been working on. So that's what we just added in. We just need the media block to reflect over here like these other blocks. So team roster block here, reflecting. And then obviously we can reorder these things and put the roster block up here, right? Or we can put it back down there at the bottom. So we just need the media block to pop up similar to these other ones. It's basically where we're at, guys. So now we need this media to pop up on the team's page when I update it. So there's a glitch with the profile picture, right? So I'm going to change the profile picture and it changes over there, but it appears black over here on the left. So got to fix that as well. But yeah, pretty much. Nothing too special. So let's knock that out really quick. So we pushed. Okay, okay. So this should be all fine. So we just push those changes. By the way, guys, don't forget like and subscribe. Definitely helps out the channel and definitely keeps you up to date on if we can beat the challenge, man. The challenge is if we can, on this app right here, on this application we've making, if we can make $1 in profit, $1 in profit in 21 days or less, we're trying to knock that out the park. We're trying to make our first dollar in profit this week. So that's why we're trying to finish this app today. We're going to be on stream all day. So definitely subscribe so that you get, the updates, man. And we're going to be posting like, long form videos as well, going over some of the inner details on how we set this whole thing up. So you guys have the opportunity to, compete in this challenge as well in your own spare time. Oopsie. So okay, yeah. Let's get going. So basically, like I said, we want to reflect this over here. So we're gonna prompt AI to make us a thing, and let's see what it comes up with without giving it any inspiration initially. So we're gonna say, hey, now that we've successfully implemented the media block component, we now need to render the corresponding media carousel to be displayed on the dashboard preview. On the team's dashboard view. We should ensure we adhere to the existing pattern used to implement and create the team schedule block and create both the team schedule block and team roster block. Your task is to create a new media carousel block that will sync with any media, will sync with the team's uploaded media and display in a mobile friendly, modern design in their dashboard preview. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. Just off of that prompt, we're gonna see. Then we might have to reprompt it. We might have to get a little more specific, but we can do that if necessary. If necessary, we can do that. Eh, dun, dun. It's cooking over here. It's cooking. Wrong thing. That's not bad. So this isn't a bad one shot here. Oh, we're gonna get copyrighted. Stop. It's a little wonky. Can't pause it again that well. That's not bad, bro. Updates in real time. That is sick. That's sick. That is sick. So we wanted to put team media at the very top, tippity top. Alright, wanted to do that. We good. All right. Okay. So let's commit this real quick before we, co-review it. hey, before we code review it, let's go ahead and commit it, right? We don't want to lose this progress before we review it. Okay? Add media, carousel, blah. Nah, but that's sick. That's it. It's a sick feature. I like that. Anybody else like that feature? I think that's a pretty cool feature. Not gonna lie. I cannot lie about that. Cannot. Okay. So the media block. So the only thing I want to be able to do is like reorder it, right? Is there a way to order it? Oh, but I wonder how it functions on mobile, right? Let's see. Let's see how that functions on mobile, by the way. Uh, oops. Uh, wow. Pretty sick, pretty sick, pretty sick. Okay. So this is how I designed my team's page. Pretty sick, guys. What y'all think? What y'all think? I think it looks pretty sick. I wish, yeah, we just need a way to reorder the items. I think that would be a nice feature. I mean, but so add media cards with title, thumbnail, and link. Do we have a title? We don't have a title. Do we need a title? Y'all think we need a title on this stuff? Like, so maybe we can add a title just so they don't have to like teams out like they don't have to have a title. The title. See if I can find a huddle video. Oh, I think that's sweet. So that feature is pretty much done. We just need to like double check it. We need to double check that it works, and then we can go ahead and merge it in, bro. So where's it storing this? So store team. I love it, man. Love it. Mm. Yeah. So now let's make sure we don't have any like deployment issues first. We can knock like all those out the park. Looks like all checks have passed. All checks have passed. Alert everyone. All checks have passed. So we're good to deploy this. So now let's just make sure the code um isn't just like ridiculous that AI generated. I mean, there's only four files change. Oh no, six files changed. Six file change correction. So let's see. Let's just run through this really quickly. Super quick, super quick. Hmm. Hey, wait, waiting on a hit of it. Nigga only ass with a full plate. Mmm. Only the real ones know that. Okay, so I think this is fine for the most part. I think this is cool. What y'all think? Good or no good? I think it's cool. I think we did update the storage rules. So we need to take our storage dot rules, add those. So we can basically ship this. So it looks like we're gonna ship this feature a little faster than I thought. I'm actually kind of like, that's why I'm just like, are we sure? Yeah, because this is like a little quicker than I imagined us shipping this. So like, that's a good thing. That's a good thing. We finished it pretty quickly. Uh, you know, why didn't it use format? I think this is good. Squash and merge. Uh, I think this is good. Make sure there's nothing hanging out over here. Yeah, I think we're good. Watch it merge. Okay, so now that's deploying live. We're gonna test that. Delete that branch. Now we're gonna test it. Make sure that it's working okay. I thought we just deleted this branch. There we go. So once this is a green check mark, oh, well, I think it's a green check mark. Well, let's go ahead and test this, right? I guess we don't have to log out. So we should see a new media block here. Yep. Team media, no media content added. Okay, so now if we add some media here, let's add bam image. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, it added? I was like, uh-oh. It did end up adding. Took a little second. See if we can add another one. See what happens. Okay, okay. Now let's add a YouTube link. Do we still have it on our keyboard? No. Let's see, YouTube. Okay. Let's see. Add. Okay, let's see. Nice, nice. Ah. Okay, so we just turn autoplay on. Make sure it autoplays. Oh, okay. Media. Media. Let's go, baby. Okay. Okay. We got that. So this can go over to the done column. Now we need publish button sync to live. Now it's time to publish this bad boy. Oh, Galabanga, bada bees, bada ba. Ooh. Now it's time to publish this guy. Now it's time to publish sync to live. So we want to make this deploy button work. So basically, pair changes versus live version. Push content to public page on confirmation. Add or floating or fix publish CTA. So on mobile, it's gonna be this rocket button. Okay. So when a user deploys their website live, we want to enable the functionality for a user to post a their hoop link homepage. Okay. Let's see if it can do that. Let's see if it can do that. We gonna see. Hey, hey, we gonna see. Hey, we gonna see. Hey, hey, we gonna see. See. Hey, hey, we gonna see. Hey, hey, we gonna see. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Publish page. They gonna create. Let's see what that can come up with. We don't see. We don't see. Bro, it's doing a lot in one go. It's doing a lot in one go. So let's see how well it can actually do it. You live. That button doesn't work just yet. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. We're getting too eager. We're getting too eager. We're getting too eager. Let's wait. Let's wait. This shit might have just cooked up. This shit just cooked up like 8 files, bro. Wow, the team schedule server? What the? What the? Let's see.
Your call has been forwarded to an
Bro, I have no idea what this AI just did. Seemed like it just fucked up a little bit. So I mean, it completely fucked up the code base, but let's see. Okay, so we got an error. Let's see if we can fix that. I just want to see what it looks like. Like AI kind of fucked the pooch on this one, but I am curious. So I kind of want to see what it is it designed. So file do we need to open? The username file. So we need to open this. Uh, let's see. We're just gonna tell it whatever we got. We're just gonna tell it. Ah, ah. We dun 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 dun. Wait, I don't know what it's doing now. It just did some shit with the Firebase admin. Don't think it needs that. Okay, we don't want any of that code. We just want to tell it, hey, let's convert. I think it's because we have a server component and we need a client component. I'm ready to battle any opponent. What's the proponent? Just know that I'm on it. Sometimes I freestyle, guys. Ba ba da da ba 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 ba. Bro, oh my god. Taking a long fucking time, not gonna lie. Hmm. We're gonna start a new emulator real quick. You donkey. See, like this shit loading slow, bro. Ba 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 ba. Bro, so AI just completely like botched our shit, bro. Pretty much is what happened. We gotta reject all those. trying to tell it to reuse and refactor because it wasn't reusing the components was kind of part of the problem. One sec. It was kind of part of the problem. Let's see what this guy comes up with. I got a question for everybody. What is your vibe to code ratio? See, my vibe to code ratio is like 2 to 10. Or so wait, 10 to 2. For every vibe, two codes. So like right now, like you're vibe coding when you're like not touching the keyboard and code's being produced. Like I'm eating some cereal and they're making code for me. Very simple. Arrogant and publish page. So pretty much. Okay, so or Ninja, what's up, man? How's it going, bro? Sorry, I'm sitting here stuffing my face full of cereal. We're done now. What's going on, bro? How goes it, brother? Just working on getting this app finished up now. Trying to get this MVP finished by the end of today. So we can progress in this challenge, man. We're trying to knock it out the park. Sure. So pretty much doing a vibe coding challenge. So basically, we're vibe coding an entire app application from scratch using no money, $0. CursorAI, free trial. So the app we're making is basically like I don't know if you're familiar with Linktree, but it's like Linktree but for basketball teams. So we basically give basketball teams a link they can use to like post things about their roster. They can showcase like basically get engagement for fan engagement and sponsorship engagement, as well as like new players to their team for their team using this link. And so pretty much, like for example, let me say I want to add like a let's say I want to add LeBron James to my roster here. Number 6, he played like small forward. Um, pretend like this is LeBron James, and let's say LeBron. I want to include his stats: 21 points, 8 rebounds, 4 assists. Add to roster. So this is LeBron James on our roster, and bam. So that would be an example. We can also add like our schedule, so we can reorder these blocks as well. So I can bring this one to the bottom. I'm gonna add team schedule. Um, Bulldogs. So it doesn't like the when there's like spaces in a name, I can't upload the file. We're gonna play them. We're gonna play the Bulldogs at 4:20 a.m. Yeah, that's rich. New venue, away, buy tickets. Then we can paste the link here. So this is us adding a game to the schedule. So like we got a game coming up. Click done, and it pops up here, right? So ideally, which the piece we're working on right now is like making sure all this stuff displays very similarly to how it displays in the preview here. We want to make sure it displays. So like this will be the team's page that you share. Like if I shared my link, I would share this. Um, and this is how it will look on mobile. Appreciate it, dog. Appreciate it. Yeah, it's pretty smooth. So we're trying to get everything finished up today, like with this, and then progress on to the next to the selling part of it. Like so I have some teams I know I can reach out to and hopefully we can get them onboarded this week. So that's why we're trying to finish everything up today. We're about to run a 10-hour stream. So we're trying to finish everything up today so that tomorrow we can start selling this puppy. So it's definitely gonna be exciting. Yeah, so not technically, so I started it, like I started the repo on I believe Sunday. So there was a little bit of work done before so there was a little bit like probably like 3 days of like work done beforehand. But all the work has been done this week. So I started it this week and went live um about a week ago. So I started the challenge like 3 days ago. And so here's like a list of all the stuff I've done. So like basically I've been keeping track of everything. Um I might even share this. I wish I can like make this public. Can I? Maybe I can. I don't know. But basically the work I've been doing like are all in these tickets. So the ticket we're working on right now is this publish button, obviously. And so then we have these last couple things over here. And then we'll be done. So this is all the progress that was made in the last week. Um, but yeah. So I say like uh all I did before was I just put up the landing page like last Sunday. So I literally just threw up this page, this little landing page. So here's you can like visit it hoopl.inc. So hoop link is the actual live version. Create an account, click around, see see how it works in production. So yeah. Do you do any coding or anything, bro? So pretty much we just want to update this. Oh, we got AI to generate that for us. What is DSA? What's DSA? What's DSA? Never heard of that. Shit, I had the wrong motherfucking branch checked out. Oh, data structure and admin. I got you. Yeah, I've never heard the abbreviation DSA, but I got you, man. I got you. So you're trying to go after them FANG interviews. You want a big tech job. Got you, got you, got you. Okay. That's sick. So like leak code and stuff like that, really. So you're full stack. What stack do you use usually? Also, bro, what? You're 13? What the heck? You about to, bro? What? You're 13, about to learn data structure and algorithms, dog? Bro, that's sick. Bro said he's 13, about to learn data structure and algorithm. Bro, like, are you in the States? Just curious, cause like, man, the American children, I feel like don't have that work ethic. Yeah, the tech stack is Next.js. Um, Here, I think I have where's my sticky notes? Yeah, here's the tech stack right here, bro. Next.js, TypeScript, Firebase, Tailwind, Headless UI, Vercel for deployment, and then we're using like ChatGPT and Cursor, obviously. Um, phase one, build first version of product and launch. Phase two, get early adopters, first free users, initial feedback, and incorporate it. Phase three, get our first paid users, incorporate feedback plus any requested features. Um, and yeah, bro, I figured you. I was like, bro, this man cannot be from America. 13, about to learn data structure and algorithms. Like, 13-year-olds in America are like fucking playing Fortnite and shit, bro. That's some good grind, bro. Like, I respect that for sure. 13, about to learn data structure and algorithms, bro. That's sick. For sure, man. Yeah. Hopefully, stay interested, man. Go ahead and subscribe, bro. We'll be, you know, streaming all 21 days. Or, I mean, hopefully we can hopefully we can make $1 like before 21 days is up. Like, I imagine us making $1 like this week at least, getting our first paying customer. But yeah, definitely subscribe, like to, stay up to date on the process, man. We're gonna be grinding out for sure. For sure. All right, so that should have fixed the deployer, I'm pretty sure. Let's see. So we had a deployment issue here. Uh, got push. So that did not fix it. Okay, I don't even like the layout, so we can actually fix that. I think it might want like a optional for that children. I think worth a shot. Wait, you say you're surprised about Firebase? Why are you surprised about Firebase, bro? What? What? What did you hear? Don't tell me Firebase sucks, man. Nah, I'm playing. But what? Nah, seriously, what is it that you are surprised about in terms of Firebase? I actually don't generally like use Firebase auth. Or sorry, I use Firebase auth. I don't usually use Firebase storage. Well, no, shit. I use Firebase storage and I use Firebase auth. I don't use Firebase like for the database. I don't use Firebase for my database. Usually I use MongoDB or Postgres. But for this, because I wanted to spin it up so quickly, Firestore just made sense. Firebase like has like a um, smooth documentation. Like makes everything very quick and streamlined. And like I mean, it makes things very simple. It's my first time using it for everything. And appreciate the sub, man. Appreciate the sub. Appreciate the sub. Most definitely. Um, uh, uh, yeah, Firebase can be annoying in some ways for sure. Oops. Some ways can be annoying. So we hate this layout of this. We hate the layout of that. Like this layout sucks. We need it to look like this. So let's start prompting. Let's start prompting. Uh, Publish page. Let's see here. Page, page. Add this landing page as context. Right? Um, let's see. Let's see. Add this landing page as context. Okay. So basically, we just want to say, hey, let's reuse the components from the. Let's actually add the dashboard preview in here as well. And the dashboard preview. Oh, I got add some number in title so it reaches as many people. Okay, explain what you mean. What number? Like, give me an example. Like, write the title. Write me an example. Hercules. So the current title is Vibe Code Challenge. Make $1 in profit. Wait, but the current title is Vibe Code Challenge. Make $1 profit in 21 days or less. Day three. So if you got a better title for me, bro, I'm all for it. We'll give it a shot. We'll definitely give it a shot. Okay, so whoa. It's making so this is making it so that our preview in the user's dashboard actually reflects as it should when the user deploys their page live. So again, you know you're vibe coding when you're not touching the keyboard, right? My question has been to everyone, what's your code to vibe ratio? My code to vibe ratio for this project is like 2 to 10. So like for every 10 for every 10 vibes, I'm only coding like twice. So for every like 10 prompts, I'm only like doing like, you know, a, a 20% of coding, like, you know what I mean? AI is doing the other 80%. What's y'all's vibe to code ratio when y'all vibe code? Trying to get my vibe to code ratio just like all vibes, bro. Like I can just tell the AI what to do and it just okay, now it kind of looks like it. Man, y'all got me now, bro? Oh my god. My Wi-Fi is acting egregious, man. I hope y'all got if you didn't hear what I said about what we're working on, Jose, please let me know. I'll say it again. But my Wi-Fi just did some like crazy shit. I'm sorry. And it's doing some crazy shit again. Are you kidding me? Bro, my thing's crashing out, bro. Hopefully that this can stay like fine, but so let's fix up this error. You know it, Q Rive. Bro, like honestly, prompt engineer. I've heard the term product engineer. I like that one. That's the new one I've heard. Product engineer. But yeah, bro, I'm loving it, man. I don't have any problems with it. Everybody's like tripping out, but like, why would I be mad at something that can get me 80% of the way there, like 90% of the time? You know what I mean? Like, if I can get 80% of the way there, then like I'm happy. I get to do my job a lot easier. Like, people are tripping, bro. I don't know why people are giving it so much shit. Beats me. So this is too much space. Too much space right here. Why is there so much space? See, here is not a lot of space. Yeah, bro. It's like, oh yeah, bro. You're riding a horse to the fucking. You know what I'm saying? Like you're riding a horse from California to San Francisco. I mean, from Los Angeles to San Francisco. No, you're gonna hop your ass in a car and you're gonna fucking drive there, bro. I think I'm feeling what you're putting down. Helps you get to your goal easier. Like you get no bonus points from for like running to San Francisco from Los Angeles. Like you might get a clap on the back, like, "Oh, congratulations, bro, you fucking ran," but it took you fucking 3 days. You know what I mean? Like, I just got there in a couple hours. Idiot. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. So we need to fix the spacing. The spacing on this thing is awful. I've used GitHub Copilot, bro, and so this when I used it last, it was probably like 3 months ago, and I hated it. I started using Cursor like 4 days ago, and I loved it. So you know, I'm actually liking Cursor more than I liked GitHub Copilot. I feel GitHub Copilot like absolutely sucked to me personally, but what do I know? Are people saying it's better again? Huh? I didn't hear that one. All right, what are you using, bro? Are you prompt engineering? You on the prompt engineer wave? You vibe coding, bro? Can read my database? That's funny. Like, but why would it need to read my database? Like, couldn't it just read like the schema of my database? Like, Cursor can read the schema. Like, why does it need to actually read the data in the database? What does that do? Oops. So yeah, there's just a lot of like fucking space. Oh, that's why space Y 6. Let's go like space Y like 2. Hmm. That did nothing. Got you, got you. Are you using Copilot, bro? Is that what you've been using? What the fuck, bro? Let's see. Uh, you use both Cursor and Copilot? Bro, I've been asking everybody this, bro. What's your what's your vibe to code ratio? Like right now with this project, my vibe to code ratio is like 10 to 2. So like for every 10 vibes, I'm coding only like twice. Right? So like I'm letting AI do like 80% of whatever the fuck is going on. Like so my vibe to code ratio is like 10 to 2. Wait, what the now that's weird, bro. Cursor was uninstalling itself? Yeah, yeah, I would delete that shit too, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like once my apps get to uninstalling themselves and like it's like they get sentient and they're like, yo, like that's crazy. And they just like remove themselves from my app, like yo, you're done. That's when I pack it up. I'm not gonna lie. I'm done after that. Bro, okay, so we're just gonna ask AI why there's so much fucking northern padding. You know, how long you been software engineering, bro? Also. And you never told me your code to vibe ratio. What's your vibe to code ratio, my friend? Yeah, I agree, bro. Just lazy. Like I was too lazy to figure out why this thing was like I tried actually. I tried for a second, but like after it's taking more than like 5 minutes, okay, here AI, just tell me why it's so fucking so much space. But I don't think it's gonna fix this one. I don't think AI is gonna have a fix for this. That's reasonable. I think it's gonna fuck up. Let's see. I'm betting against AI on this one. This might be a problem I have to solve. Let's see. So ideally, it decreases the space that it has between these two things. This is like an egregious amount of space. It's an egregious amount of space. And yeah, everybody, if you haven't already, go ahead and like, subscribe for sure. Bro, so there's no error. It's just the issue is just there's like this like too much space right here in between the two. You see this space between like the team roster and the scheduled games. Hold on, once this thing finishes. I noticed the link bot component is missing the same deal wrappers. I was really fixing that. Also check out plus for the mobile. I was really spacing between them. Let me fix those linter errors. So I mean, I don't know. I'm not seeing it, bro. Bro, what the like? See, now this shit's taking like it shouldn't take this long, bro. This is when I start getting frustrated. Like, shit takes 30 minutes for this one thing. What is it doing, bro? What the hell is it doing? I didn't tell it to do all this. I told it to fix one thing. I told it to do one thing, bro. Now it's like fucking solving cancer and shit. All right, let's see. Like, yeah, as I'm saying, that shit gets to uninstalling itself, like you said, bro. Like, I don't know what's going on with this shit. See, like, see how much space? You see how much space this is? Like, this is how it looks on mobile, right? So, even on desktop, like, ugh, like that much space is fucking unreasonable. Doesn't need that much space. Like, that's my only issue right now. Let me add another game here. Um, like this. Let's see. Let's see. So we're playing the Lakers, 5 p.m. on fucking Saturday. I'm gonna play them at the YMCA, bro. Cause like, yeah, why not? We're home. Get your tickets, and then I want this newlink.com. Add the schedule. Lakers done. So okay, that's there. So now let's view live, obviously. And okay, so this is pretty fine. Like I don't hate it. I do think it's like super big for it being just one game. But again, that's mostly fine for right now. The problem is this big ass margin of space right here. Like that shit's huge. Huge, 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 huge. And then this thing should be inside there. So this is how it looks on mobile, which is nice. Okay. So we just need to reduce the space. So the problem, wait, I clicked the wrong thing, right? Let me see. What's up, or bro? My freaking stream was like tweaking out there, bro. I don't know what happened. Or I know what happened. My Wi-Fi was bugging. So, I mean, that's better. This thing, but this thing doesn't have much padding though. So you see, it only cut like if I hover over like this, it only the blue space is like the only space it takes up. So it's really this div has like this is this padding bottom. Yeah, that's it. This padding bottom here. Let's see. See if that let's see if that fixes it. Let's see. Refresh this. Okay, so it reduced it. It fixed it, got that thing out of there. So one problem fixed. There's still a little bit too much space for my liking. So this P4 utility, what's that global? So let's go landing page. So right here, file box. This one. So is there only one P4? No, there's two P4s. This one, okay. Is there a way to do like PY4? I mean, because I think this P4 is the problem. No? Okay, so P4 is not the problem. So like this extra little space right here is clearly being caused by this div, and it is the P4, right? Am I tripping? Yeah, it's kind of the P4. It's kind of the P4. On the team schedule. Padding top on a team roster? No, it doesn't. Like there is, but not a lot. See, like it only takes up this space, which is fine, but this thing takes up like all the remaining space. So like all that blue, this div takes up that. This div here, which is because of this P4, I'm pretty sure. Oh, the margin bottom here. Oh, see, I told you AI wasn't gonna be able to find it for some reason. I think that fixed it. So yeah, that fixed it. That fixed it. Okay, we fixed it, guys. Phew. Here I thought we was gonna have to get like Chat GPT involved. I thought we were gonna have to get like, you know, fucking uh, Google 2.5 Pro and shit. And we're gonna have DeepSeek, but no, no, no. We actually are useful again. I feel like AI knew the answer, but just wanted us to feel good about ourselves, right? He was like, "Yo, I'll let you handle this one." Like they gaslighted us. The shit's getting crafty. It's even gaslight now. It's getting crafty. It's AI's gaslight now, guys. Can y'all believe this shit? Should just like I said, yo, solve the issue for me, bro. Start solving like molecular diffusion and shit, bro. I don't know, molecular cancer or something. Like literally has to do one thing, it starts doing something else. It's exactly why you should know what your code. That's why you should wear a seatbelt when you're vibe coding. But we're raw dogging it, bro. Ah, bro. They would have been asking DeepSeek like, yo, how do I? Like, imagine asking O1 or like DeepSeek like, yo, how do I fucking get rid of that margin? I mean, I literally tried. He just didn't know how to do it. Did I already push it? I think I pushed. I think I pushed already. Oops. I think I may have pushed already. So I think we fixed that. That looks pretty damn good, right? So we're gonna change the color of this bio thing here soon. Um, bro, I hate CSS. I mean, yeah, I mean CSS is fine. Only reason we're using CSS is because for this swiper thing. Everything else is Tailwind. But like, yeah, CSS is chill. CSS is chill. So that looks on mobile. Nice. Okay, it looks smooth. So we're almost done. I want to change the color of this. I want to make sure. Let's make sure the media works, right? Let's make sure media works, guys. Check that out. So I'm gonna take let's do a YouTube video. Let's see. Come on, dashboard. Go ahead and load. Bro, so this shit never takes this long to load. I'm concerned. Why is it taking long to load now? I'm concerned. It never takes this long to load. I'm nervous. It genuinely never takes this long. And I refresh it again, of course, reset it. Why is it taking so long? Bro, it absolutely never takes this long. Wait, am I running the app in two different places? I am running in two different places. Maybe that's why it's running slow. A part of the reason. Add pound SaaS. All right, we're gonna add it, bro. Pound SaaS. Pound coding challenge. Pound coding. Oh wait, we can't add all of it. Okay, we added it, bro. I didn't know you could add hashtags, bro. Not gonna lie. Like, did not know it was encouraged to add hashtags. Appreciate that, or for sure. Um, Yeah, that thing took a long time to load. Hopefully that doesn't indicate anything out of the ordinary. But it's seeming like it's indicating something out of the ordinary. I don't know. See, like this is taking a long time to upload, bro. Bro, why is everything going slower? Like I promised the app was faster. I promise, I promise, I promise. Wait, what does it say? No, that's fine. I promised the app was faster. I promise. All right, let's see. Come on. Bro, the speed in which this is going is like frustrating the crap out of me. Okay, so we're gonna see why the fuck this shit slowed down. It's not making sense. It's not making sense. It's not. It's not fair. By the way, guys, if you haven't already, please go ahead, like, subscribe. Stay tuned, stay updated about the challenge. All right, was it man, this thing is still fucking loading. Jesus. I think it just failed. It failed. But it's there. So it displayed there, but it didn't work, bro. Yeah, we got to debug. It's just everything's running so slowly. What the heck? See, it's going super slow now. Super duper slow, super duper slow. Everything. Okay, let's debug. Think order's right. Time to debug. Time to debug. So appreciate you, Kaloon. Appreciate you, brother. Leave us a like. Throw us a subscribe, man. For sure. We coming all day, every day for the next 20 days. So, yes, sir. Stay locked in with us. Stay locked in. Um, I'm gonna look at the code that we've changed. Whoa. I thought we stopped tracking this. This needs to just be deleted. Hold on, let's delete this real quick. Firebase debug. Firebase debug log. You need to stop tracking this. Um, delete that. Let's move it from the cache. RM. Get cache. Firebase debug. This isn't why it's like going slow, but uh, yeah, I was thinking that, bro, because now it's looking like my whole computer's probably going a little slower than usual. But like, because like, yeah, even GitHub's kind of going slow, right? Yeah, even GitHub's kind of going slow. All right, or bro. See you, man. It's definitely great having you in the chat, brother. Appreciate that, man. Definitely. I'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow and connected. Have a good day, sir. So let's Okay. This is swell. This is swell. This is swell. So, just doing some code review, making sure AI didn't just like completely fuck up our program. Um, yeah, let's just see. Investigate, shall we? Yo, appreciate that, Kaloon. Appreciate that subscribe, by the way, brother. Yes, sir. Definitely. Definitely appreciate that, my man. Have a good sleep, sir. Have a good sleep. Have a good night, man. Tune back into us tomorrow or later later today. We'll be going all day, so tune back into us, man. Appreciate you. I think the problem might be. Let's see something. It might be. No, maybe it's not. I'm gonna ask it first before like having it actually do it. Cause basically how it should work is like this thing should take in props. It should take in the block, like kind of how this link block works, where it just like takes in the actual block data. This thing should take in the block data. Uh, wait. See, I knew it wasn't gonna understand. That could work. I don't love the solution there, but also don't hate it. Don't love it, don't hate it. Can't complain about it. Bro, see, like, watch, watch. Just to prove that this thing was running smoother a minute ago. Just 1 minute ago. Like just to make sure I'm not tripping. We're gonna check out main. We're gonna see if main loads quicker. Is it is it actually the database, or I mean is it actually like did this branch do it, or is it just something else? Maybe the browser's just getting a little tired. Try Google Chrome, see if it loads any quicker. See if it loads any quicker in Chrome. Let's see. Uh, Naturally. It'll load a lot quicker. Yeah, it load like light years faster. Huh. So maybe it is the browser. Okay. So wait, can we reapply this? Let's reapply these changes, guys. Reapply. Uh, Reapply. Oh, but I need to check out what is it called? Publish page. Wait, what? See? Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, so this was like light years faster. You live. So it got the autoplay feature. So basically, you load in, bam! I'm already seeing team. Wait, let's make it like a little more relevant to like what we're doing, right? So let's go YouTube. We want like little the basketball highlights. I think. So if I were to come here, this is what I would see. And on mobile, it would look like this. Mobile, I would be looking at this team, and I'm like, dang, hold on, who's that? Who's that white kid? Oh my, Steve Nash. Steve, it's the next coming of Steve Nash. I gotta go buy tickets. This is exactly the reaction we're hoping for. So we're gonna give basketball teams that engagement they're looking for. And so we got the auto play. So the thing auto plays, bro. It auto plays. It's like magic. Oof. Okay. Man, I hope so, Q Rock. I hope so. I hope it's immediate money printing, bro. We're trying to make a money glitch. This should not have happened though. When I say this, I mean like it shouldn't have done that until we deployed. And we didn't click deploy, yet it updated. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, so for that it didn't do it. But like so for the ordering of the blocks, but like the actual content of the blocks will update. Looks like that's pretty smooth. Yeah, it looks fine. It looks like reasonable. Like obviously we can clean up the UI a little bit, like so like some of the spacing between like the media and the roster is a little different. Maybe we have some like more icons, ability to like, you know, edit the color of the I mean obviously the ability to edit the color of the buttons, ability to like edit the icon next to the text, little stuff like that. But for the most part this is looking kind of smooth and we can deploy and yeah, everything just works. Hmm. So yeah, can't really complain about that. Got some console errors. Don't know what that has to do with. Not gonna lie. Okay. So, bro, and like Q Rap, we're just trying to make a buck, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? We ain't even try to like, we don't even got a money print. I mean, we're trying to money print, but like to beat the challenge, we just need to make $1 off this thing, bro. So we got to get one team to pay us like $1. I mean, obviously, we're gonna ask the team to pay us like $9 a month, but we can get $8 less than that and still accomplish the goal. We add dot permit uh, hmm. What does this do? Yeah, I actually think that's not gonna. Don't think that's gonna do anything. So I think it's still gonna. Don't know that these changes really did anything. I'm actually gonna reject them again. Don't know that these changes did anything. Therefore, we're gonna reject them. Feel free to prove me wrong, AI. If those changes did something, let me know now. But I don't think they did. And I need to use the bathroom. I'm not gonna lie. Got so much momentum going though, man. Don't. So we're gonna. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure we're gonna push this up. Make sure it doesn't do anything. We're gonna push this up. Deploy. Okay, so we're gonna push this up. Or I think we already got the changes pushed. So yeah, I think here let's come over to our Trello board real quick. So let's see what we need to do. Add a folding or fixed publish CTA, done. Push content to public page on confirmation. There's no confirmation, but done. Compare changes versus a live version. Done. So we're pretty much done with that ticket. We're gonna do a run through when I get back. And just make sure there's not any cleanup we want to do. But then we're on to the next. Then we're on to the engagement metrics. Then we're on to the next. Man, we're so close to being able to just get people to use this thing. It's not even funny. Just got like 3 more tickets left. And look, this one's almost already done. Technically it is done. Wait, edit team name record league badges. DIA or IDB. Yeah, technically this one is done. Because I don't know if we're gonna actually invite people or not. Invite admins, so this one might actually be done. I don't know. So yeah, we're gonna come back. We'll see how that's working. Oh yeah, so it looks like we got a couple errors here on the deploy, so we're gonna fix those when we get back. Any unexpected any specified a different type. 25, 41. We just solve this right now. Save us some time. Save us some time. That's an okay use of the any keyword, and so is this. So we don't really have any problem with that. Wait, what? Okay. See how that goes. Be right back. So this should turn into a check mark if that went well. The car is a computerized. I'm human. No way, buddy got a tattoo. Bro, this young nigga got a tattoo. Look at this. Are these real? Is that much hard to make $1? Bro, you must not be in America right now, bro. It's hard as fuck to make $1, my man. What is it? Catan? Ketan? Keaton? Man, it's hard as hell to make $1 right now. So yes, is the answer to your question. But we're gonna make it very soon. Buddy got tattoos. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this kid with tattoos, bro. No way those are real, right? Mm. Hmm. Okay, so that word. Bro, AI couldn't figure out this? Sometimes, man, this shit is like it's simple shit. It be that simple shit. Okay, let's see. So we're basically trying to fix the deployment error that's going on. What the fuck? Now the page props and this shit. So now it's saying doesn't support the page props. Page props. This is what we need to Ba, 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 ba. So we're getting this deployer for reference. Username page prop does not satisfy the constraint page props. Is it also just this? Is it just this? Y'all think? What y'all think, though? Let's see if that fixes it, bruh. Me. Let's see, dog. Let's see. So building. We need a success, baby. We needed to be successful. I just want to be successful. I just want to be, I suppose. Man, if y'all haven't already, go ahead, like, subscribe. Man, we're going daily with this thing, man. We're building a SaaS, software as a service business. We're building a SaaS product for basketball teams, and we're finna make money off of it this week, man. So we built it. Took us 3 days. This is the third day. We're trying to finish it this evening. See, and we're ready to deploy. Let's go. That fixed it. We fixed the error. Let's go, baby. Fix the error. So should be able to deploy now. So effectively, all we want to do now is want to come here. Tavares codes hoop link. Come to the pull request, and we're gonna publish the page. So squash and merge. Create team publish page. Squash and merge. Delete the branch. And so then we're going to wait for this guy to deploy. Once this deploys after the pending stage, our app will be, the updates we just made will be live to HoopLink. This is the live version of the app. It's hoopl.inc, hoople.inc, HoopLink. So yeah, once that deploys, we'll be able to see it live, baby. So we'll wait on that. So publish button sync to live done. Just got this done. So next ticket done. So next ticket's up. Got the stats tab and engagement metrics. So we're very close to the end here before we can officially go live. So we're excited. Let's see. So once this thing check marks, it's completed. We have a check mark. So that means that the changes are live. Let's close all that. Let's close this as well. So let's view those changes. So I'm gonna go to HoopLink. Let's log into our account. Um, so this is live. So view live. Oh, you know what? Here's what happened. Did Firestore rules? I know what happened. Okay, let's see. Let's see if that fixes it. We live. Yeah, so that fixed it. So until we deploy, which we click this deploy button, deploy. Now when we load this page, bam. Okay. This is how it looks on mobile. I mean on a desktop. On mobile, looks more like this. So if you will indulge me, guys, if you go to hooplink/new team, you will see my new team on hooplink/new team. So this is my team. We got Kwame Brown playing center. We got DS User at small forward. We played the Bulldogs this weekend or next week, April 17th. Play them at home in the greater Houston, Texas area. It's 7:10 a.m. Again, we got Kwame Brown. Mr. Kwame, we're 10-0 right now. We haven't lost a game. 10-0, 10-0. So that worked. Let's see. Uh-oh. So I want to add some media. I want y'all to see my team in action, bro. So let's add a block there. Bam. Autoplay on. So now you guys. Oh, it's a bad link. For sure, bro. For sure, man. Throw the subscribe, Keaton. For sure, bro. Subscribe so you can stay up to date on the progress. Man, you have a good night, sir. For sure. Definitely have a good night, man. Get some good rest. Uh like I said, leave a like, leave a subscribe. Catch me tomorrow, man. Catch me tomorrow. I think we just need to update the link here. Blah blah blah. Like so. Let's see. That didn't work. Let me. Huh. Why is the video not working? So buy another round. Okay, so this is coming out pretty okay, pretty smooth. So on that note, I mean we only got like 2 tickets remaining. Literally got these two guys. I guess this is kind of done. So we literally have 2 tickets remaining. Two. Those tickets. Mm, Man. Need a little mental break, man. Taking a mental break, guys. Y'all got any questions, man? Feel free to ask right now. Before we start this next ticket, we're just hanging out for a second, trying to wipe off all the hard work that we just did, man. Just trying to recollect. Basically just trying to get our bearings back, man. Trying to take a little breather. Gonna get some water here in a second. Mm. Man, oh man. I don't know if y'all got any questions. Ba-da-ba. Oh man, I'm a little sleepy. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. I might have to split this stream up, bro. Fuck. I didn't want to. Hold on. Didn't want to have to split it up. All right, guys. So what we're gonna do is we just deployed the latest version of the site. Y'all go play around with that. Hoop Link is the website. I'm actually gonna log off for a bit, take a break, but I'm gonna come back here very shortly, and we'll start the stream back up and finish off the rest of the action items for today. So when I come back, it'll be day 3.5. Um, so yeah, we'll get to it. Appreciate y'all for sticking through. Excited to get back to it, man. Just need a little bit of a breather, walk around. I'm still trying to get used to the streaming for prolonged periods of time, but we'll get used to it, man. Appreciate y'all for sticking through. Be back.